Hey there viewers, and welcome back. Today I want to install this little plastic shield, air deflector thing, heat shield. I want to install the intake manifold and all of its gaskets and the breather hose. Let's make that happen. So it's a little bit obvious how this guy's going to go in. I recall fighting with it a little bit, but there's 2 bolt holes and 2 bolt holes. So should be able to kind of eyeball where everybody went. Well, it was easier going in than it was coming out. Okay, lovely. You get a 10 millimeter. Going to insert it a little bit without tightening it. And then we can tighten it. Okay, that's nice. Not too worried about that. Next up was the breather, which let's just get that on first. I might put a little bit of wax and grease cleaner or something on. Oh, it makes it slide much easier. Okay, and then simply squeeze. We get our hose clamp in exactly the same place it was before. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the intake manifold in. So we got to line up the gaskets, of course, here. Oh yeah, first try. So I like to just slide them on the bolts first, like such. Bring the manifold up, grab our driver. I'm going to play with those bolts a little bit, get everybody lined up right. And thread them in. This guy goes something like that. Well, there you got it. Thanks for watching.